In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make clipped or angled corners in Figma. This is a useful technique for creating unique designs with a modern edge, adding a touch of personality to your work. So let's dive into the process and explore how you can achieve this in just a few steps. First, open your web browser and go to Figma's website. Figma is an incredibly powerful collaborative interface design tool that's widely used by designers all over the world to create everything from wireframes to full production ready designs. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your Figma account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for free and start exploring the platform's vast capabilities. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page of Figma. Here you'll find yourself in the central hub of your design projects where you can access all your recent files and projects. From the home interface, click on the Design tab. This area is where you'll be initiating most of your creative projects and have access to a wealth of design tools and options. Next, you'll want to create a new frame to work with. Frames in Figma work similarly to artboards in other design programs. They're essentially the boundaries of your design space. Clicking on Frame will shift your focus to the canvas where you can start shaping your design. This is where the fun part begins, as everything from UI components to full web page layouts can be structured here. Now with your frame selected, you can start thinking about the corners. Figma offers a feature called Corner Radius, which is pivotal in altering corner appearances. By clicking on the Corner Radius option, a new settings panel will emerge, allowing you to adjust how sharp, rounded, or clipped your corners should be. Enter the desired value into the radius field and you'll immediately see the corners of your frame begin to transform. Here's a little tip. If you're looking to create an angled or clipped corner effect specifically, try experimenting with different units in the corner radius setting. While rounded corners are often the go-to, using sharp or more exaggerated angles can add an exciting dimension to your design. Play around with the figures until you find the style that fits your aesthetic vision, and there you have it. In just these simple steps, you can create beautifully clipped or angled corners that will level up your design projects. Remember, Figma is all about experimentation, so don't be afraid to try out new configurations and push the boundaries of what's possible in your designs. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you on your creative journey with Figma.